Replacement of nutrients in soil. Good evening, Grandpa. What are you doing?
Good evening, dear. Here I am adding fertilizers to the soil.
Grandpa, why do we need to add fertilizers?
Let me explain you about it. Plants absorb mineral nutrients from the soil, and these minerals keep on declining in the soil. To prevent the plants from being deprived of these minerals, we add fertilizers to the soil. They are nothing but chemically synthesized minerals. Fertilizers and manures contain plant nutrients such as nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus. These nutrients need to be added from time to time to enrich the soil. Nitrogen is present in abundant amount in the atmosphere, but it cannot be utilized by the plants. Therefore, a rhizobium bacterium, which lives in the root nodules of grams, peas, mung beans, and other leguminous plants, fix free atmospheric nitrogen into soluble form like nitrate and nitrite. The bacteria live in a symbiotic relationship with the roots of the plants. These plants provide food and shelter to the bacteria. Another example of symbiotic relationship is lichen. It is the association of fungi and algae. The fungus provides the minerals and water along with shelter to the algae, and this in turn prepares food as it contains chlorophyll in them.